Open Photoshop and open the image you want to work with. Create a copy of the image layer by right-clicking on the layer and selecting Duplicate Layer. Create a new background layer by clicking on the New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel and dragging it to the bottom of the layer stack. Rotate the duplicated layer horizontally by selecting Edit from the menu bar, choosing Transform, and then Flip Horizontal. Use the selection tool of your choice to select the object you want to add text to. You can use the lasso tool, marquee tool, or magic wand tool. Remove the background from the selected object by using the Select and Mask tool. Adjust the tool settings until you have a clean cutout of the object. Create a new text layer by selecting the Type tool from the toolbar and clicking on the canvas where you want the text to go. Type your desired text. Arrange the text layer as needed by selecting the Move tool and dragging the text layer into place.
Exhale, cause I heard it helps, but same old way I felt, resting on my shoulders, cold night in a sleepless bed, white eyes with a glaze of red. I'm going round and round, it won't let me out. Sing when I swim, I'm drowning.
Create a layer mask for the text layer by clicking on the Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Hold down the Control key and click on the Layer Mask thumbnail to make a selection of the text. Select the duplicated image layer and brush tool to remove the selected area. Save your work. That's it. With these steps, you can easily combine text and imagery in Photoshop.